I don't want him left me over football, so I have to support him.
But that don't make no sense, Tonian. 12, 1 o'clock at night? Which part footballer keep them time there? You have to talk to him. Cause that not look good.
It don't really bother me, no bubbles. Because them time I have something to do. But now I don't have nothing to do. Me alone. In a dark room.
Alright, Tony and Campbell. You talk to Mr. Mullins for you.
I make him put me back on the case, right?
No. Me gonna ask him to make you monitor the cameras at Spanish Town.
Alright. Thanks.
Numbers. Right on time.
Little miss. It's me. Lion, tie up.
Numbers.
Numbers!
What go on? We start look like sister now, you know. Everything alright?
Yeah, man, so far.
Yeah. You know? Alright. So now it lock on my system. So if it pop up, may I get a notification.
Numbers. This is top priority, you know. You have to make one know as soon as it pop up.
So Miss B, am I alone attract this?
Well, Mr. Mullins take little miss off for the case. So it's gonna be you and another operative overseas.
You know, so the truth is still better if I 3 or 4 hours upon this. Because if I really want to pick up that thing here, more the merrier, you know.
So Numbers, in the event that it come up on your computer, you can't send the notification to me in case.
Well, I can send you the notification, but that not gonna allow you to track it. And the more people who ever track it, then the better it is.
Tonian, no. Remember, say them know say your system already attract them. So once you log on, them just gonna know.
What? Are that one? I want a sophisticated system then. So them know say you are trapped. Yeah. Therefore, if I deal with this on a different level now, you know. Hold on.
So where you are doing now, Numbers?
And make sure so I set a thing right here, so that when me start track them now can know say my instrument log on. It name creating a duppy. Thinking an agency when you call it ghost.
Numbers, how you know them something here? How you know for do them something here?
Them call it tricks in trade. And you never give away your trade secret to nobody.
Alright. Well, here what? Any code you come up with in the system, me gonna need the operative overseas for have it too. So she can be a duppy in the system too while tracking.
And I want a phone one distance, Brissett. Somebody I want to trust.
Yeah, man, is an agent. Yeah, man, is an agent all can trust. Just when you get at the info and thing, just let me get it.
Alright. But I have to sit down over this a little bit, you know. Because, watch your style. It will take a minute. I have a couple things for run up on the road go deal with for Kingman, for the bar and for the weed shop. So, we can get 2 days.
You have 1 day.
Alright. That means I have to jump on it right away. We just fix up that thing here, and then we deal with it. Look at miss.
Numbers.
Watch your style. But I feel in a way, you know. If I take them take care of my case, don't worry yourself.
Good man, Numbers.
You're a little genius.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, you know, say the boss have to talk to the bigger boss and he get you right back on the thing. Brissett, I want to not go easy with her, you know. She's a sharp student, you know. Don't sideline her too long. Here? Look at miss.
Numbers.
You don't know the style already. Don't know. Oh, the football line good?
Yeah, you good.
Alright. Miss Brissett.
Ah, no, man.
With
Big up
that,
yourself.
yeah?
Yeah, man. You know,
Brissett, the lion.
in chain numbers,
I'm sure say that chain didn't have a bus.
yes, numbers.
Numbers go on, you alright. Him now.
Good?
Yeah.
Easy, Jenna.
Then I saw Numbers spread a dog.
On a serious note, though, team. I gotta talk back to Mr. Mullins and ask him to seriously put your back on the case. Numbers just bring something to my attention there. How do we know so we can trust Roxy?